So I'm going to talk to you about slip application. Now slip is a mixture of water and clay, and usually a stain or colorant is added to it, and it makes really nice detailed surfaces. In fact, I used it on this piece here. You can see the red glaze, which was mixed with the slip. And basically you can fill it with a bottle like this. The thinner the nozzle edge, obviously the thinner of the glaze and slip application will be on the piece. So I used this one particular and for this piece and went like this with the slip and gave it that decoration. So these are really handy to have. In fact, I have a friend who prefers Arby's, the Arby's bottles. Not sure where he got those from. But those tend to work out really well for him, simply because of the force and the edge of the needle shape on the edge of the applicator. That is the reason I believe he likes it so well. But you can use any type of application with slip. I just prefer to use the bottles.